I'm Scott Blair, Tire Industry Association certified ATS instructor, patent holder for the wheel fit and gripper system custom wheel fitment tool, and author of Custom Wheel and Tire Fitment Training Program. And I want to welcome you to the track. So what is the TRAP? It stands for Tire, Rim, and Chassis Knowledge. It is now the premier training center here in the United States, combining all of the modules from the Tire Industry Association with our own proprietary custom wheel training program into the absolute best training program that's available to you. This training facility houses the latest in tools, training, and technology from the very best in our industry. Corgi Equipment has provided both a traditional rim clamp tilt tower machine as well as the latest in touchless technology. In addition to that, they provide a premier balancer. Using this balancer along with our specialty tools from Havika USA provides the most accurate and precise and most importantly repeatable balance possible in our industry. Our programs are designed for everyone from a relative novice in our industry all the way to someone that's at the point to where they can literally build a custom set of wheels per their specifications and get it bolted up on the vehicle correctly. We offer several stages of training based on your needs and the goals for your business. Our Stage 1 program is your basic Tire Industry Association ATS Technician Certification. This is a 2-day class followed by an exam that allows a shop technician to be certified to be able to perform services on your vehicles. We highly encourage salespeople as well as shop owners to take this course as well so that we have redundancy in regards to making the sale and installing the product. Next is our Stage 2 level. This is a 3-day course that combines both the Tire Industry Association ATS certification program with our own track custom wheel and tire certification program that is proprietary. This Stage 2 program is typically added on to Stage 1, but in some circumstances can be taken as a standalone class. Our Stage 3 program is the Tire Industry Association ATS Trainer Certification combined with our own proprietary Track Level 1 Custom Wheel Training. Our Stage 4 program is no holds barred. This is 5 full days of the most intense tire and custom wheel training on the planet. Topics will include everything from beginning a sale, walking a customer through the sale, determining the best tire for the vehicle and the application, as well as what the customer's needs and expectations are, all the way through using our gripper system to test a tire onto a modified vehicle to determine the exact dimensions needed to build a custom wheel to make that tire fit without rubbing, and knowing the correct air pressures for that vehicle. So contact us now through the website or give us a phone call and we will help you to determine which class is appropriate for your needs and to meet your goals. I'm Scott Blair, Tire Industry Association certified instructor, and I'll see you soon.